What's going on, YouTube? Just finished the last and final day here at SEMA 2022. We're beat. We actually have an early flight out tomorrow at 4 a.m. And you know, it hit us. We've been showing you all around the convention space. Kai's been going hard with the stories, but we haven't showed you our hotel room. So we missed yesterday's daily upload video, but in the spirit of trying to post something today, we thought we'd leave you with a little tour of our hotel room. And yeah, we're gonna pack and get to the airport and fly back to Virginia. But hope you like it. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you back on the East Coast.
Oh shit, it's Cribs. Come on in, man. What's up? Hey, I'm gonna show you guys around my hotel room, man. Yeah, we're balling here. Yeah, we're in Vegas for SEMA, the convention life. Just out here traveling and stuff, but we live a good life, all right? I'll just show you around. Hey, don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. Sorry I had to flex on you, dog. Starbucks, we love Starbucks. I'll show you the bathroom first because it's right here. All right. Come on in, dude. Yeah. So we got this dope ass sink, just like single sink, but you know, really nice, like, you know, metal features and shit. It works. Don't worry about it. Come on in, dude. Look, mirrors, multiple mirrors. We got this nice little towel rack, walk-in, stand-in shower or whatever. The really nice tile backsplash, in this glass door, so you can see the people on the other side. You get it. Baller-ass towel hooks. Kind of low on toilet paper. That's not a big deal. You can just request more. You know what I'm saying? Come on in. So this is where we sleep, dog. Really did a nice job with the art selection. It was actually on the wall when we got here, but it's all good. It just looks great. The mirror, so you can check out your fit first thing in the morning. So when you head out to the convention, you're all set. Make sure you don't look like a fucking slob or whatever. Table for snacking. Television that we've never turned on since we've been here. Make sure, yeah. Hey, but it is Samsung, right? That's what I'm talking about. A nice couch for lounging. We do a lot of that in here. A lot of lounging. It's all right. It's all right, dude. I don't need a pillow or nothing because we're chill. We're just chilling out. You know what I'm saying? What we'll say is the view is incredible. All right, they got like a bull riding show or some shit going on right now. There's T-Mobile Arena. There's like the, just the street with people and shit. But yeah, that pretty much sums it up. But we're living pretty good. Life is good. But hey, thanks for coming out, dog. There's only one door on the way, so if you could just, it'd be great. Thanks for coming out. Hey, you can stop filming now, dog. Hey, come on, dog, come on.